Alright YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we are on the way to the DDE meet, DDE Block Party Part 3. They're hosting it at their warehouse. If you didn't see my first video, make sure y'all go check it out. But I did go to their first one. That shit was crazy. I think it's my most viewed video actually, so make sure y'all go check it out. But I'm stuck in traffic right now. It is in LA, so as y'all, obviously there's gonna be traffic. I'm gonna meet up with some of my boys who are also in Chargers, and my boy Jay obviously in his Beamer. We're gonna meet up and then roll to the meet together, so I'll see y'all then. Alright, just pulled up to the little pre-meet, got my car right here, got my boy Jay over here. We're the first ones here, but once other Chargers start pulling up, I'll show you. There's one over there, I don't know if he's part of the group, but yeah, I got my boy Jay. As you see, it's raining. I might try to do a burnout or something, I don't know, but I bet you a bunch of people at this meet are gonna do some shit that's worthy of content, so make sure y'all stay tuned. Alright YouTube, got my boy Jay behind me. We just pulled up to DDE's warehouse, so we're gonna go see what's happening. They're not letting people in yet, but we're gonna look at everyone pulling up. And yeah, hopefully some people do some shit and we get some content. If not, shit should still be comp because there's gonna be hella exotics, a bunch of shit here, so let's see what happens. We just pulled up to the meet, we're walking up right now. I don't know if you can see because of the lighting, but there's a line of people that go all the way down the street. We got a nice Camaro right here. But this line is crazy. I think this is to get in. But I got my boy Jay. I don't know.
Door open. Nigga, what?
Alright, bet. So let's just go. 35. That shit's nice as fuck. Got a bunch of people down here though, so we gonna see what happens. Alright, we got I don't know what this is, bro. Wow, that's a fucking battle bus. Alright, so I know it's dark as fuck, but we're about to walk in. Me and my boy. Nice. So we have a fucking monkey. Nice, amazing. But we got McDonald's because there was like nice. Where the fuck? Look at this shit, bro. So I'm like off-roading on feet right now. I don't know like where the fuck we're at. Oh god. Oh my god. And it was raining earlier. Oh, we're fucked. Oh my god, it's mud. Oh, it's mud. Oh shit. Oh my god. We just pulled up. Got a crazy McLaren right here. I think there's an S240. Look at the engine bay though. This shit is clean as hell. Little Hellcat. This shit's nice as hell. There's hella cars, so we gonna keep walking around. Got Liberty Walk wide body GTR right here. Got a G over there, but it's just not focusing. But that shit on bags too. Now that shit is too nice. Here we got a Hellcat right here. Loud ass whine. Look at that big ass intake. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm gonna have one of these soon.
So I'm gonna turn my camera off. He starts doing this shit, bro.
I know.
Every time. It takes time, dude.
Oh my god. Walking to the pit, but they got a nice ass lineup here, bro. Supercars everywhere. Got supercars everywhere.
And spend time with my family for Halloween. I was here all week. I had a flight commercial to get home. It takes me 10 to 12 hours to get home because I have to go through commercial airports, customs. I have to transfer to another plane to get to where we live in this little town. And this is what this book's all about, getting your time back, buying your time back. Because we all only have, I don't care if you're Dan, you have $100 million, or you're me, and you have a few bucks in the bank, or maybe you're like I was and Dan was and you're broke right now. We all have one thing in common.
Few bucks in the bank, but they got like 7 supercars.
In a day. Yes or yes? Yes or yes? So Dan let me take his jet, and I flew from LA direct to Kelowna on Dan's jet by myself with Dan's pilot. Stayed in Kelowna, went trick-or-treating. The next morning, got back on the jet with Dan, his son, and Sam. And we flew back here so we could do the block party. Give it up for Dan. I got my time back with my family and a lot of my time that day because of Dan lending me his jet. That's some baller shit. He lent me his jet. And I was like, hey, can I pay for the fuel? And Dan's like, I got you, bro. So if you want to know how to think like Dan and like me and like everybody else who understands the things that you wish you knew to get the cars and the money and the beautiful wife, the life, the thing, right? Right? Be happy. Like that's stuff, but like it makes you happy and learn how to be happy up here first. It's in this book, a lot of it. Like it's the door, right? Dan doesn't give books away, but I'm making him give these books away and he signed them. Who wants a book? That's it. Out of all these people, listen. Out of all of that I just said, I saw maybe 1% of the crowd open up and put their hand up and make noise. That's why it's called the 1%. Because 1% actually want it. 1% actually want it. That's why only 1% have the shit people want. Because they go like this. Yes, I'm enthusiastic. I want it. I'm willing to put in the work, and I got my hand up. Again, who wants a book? Which guy? Red sweater. Red sweater, come up and come see Ann. There you go. Give it up. Now, I'm going to give the mic to Dan. Dan has something he wants to say. Please give him a round of applause real quick.
Keep it going for David, everybody. Keep it going. Keep it going. Louder! Thank you.
This is out of control. Alright, you guys. Thank you all for coming. The old saying goes, man, you ain't gotta go home, but you gotta get the woo out of here.
If you're caught, if you're doing dumb shit on the street, even revving, they'll take a photo of you, and on the internet, I will personally make an ass of you because I warned you. Do not burn this spot. Yes? Do not burn the spot. Repeat it with me. Come on, do not burn the spot. Thank you. If you guys want to come back and let us do this again, be respectful when you leave. Nobody. Hey.
Wait a minute.
Where's the next meet at?
Where is it? Midnight. It's on our website. It's on our website.
Where is it? Like Walmart? Where's the meet at for me?
It's like 5 minutes away from here.
Walk, bro. I ain't fuck. I buy a new one tomorrow.
Yo, what the fuck? He said you're fucked, bro. He's like, all right, I'll buy a new one tomorrow. Oh my god, what's going on right now? Nice, my camera's out of focus. There's some
MHD
crazy
right there.
shit
That's
going on.
MHD right there.
Crazy. Everybody gonna bug out leaving, so we gonna film a little bit of that. But yeah, people bugging the fuck out right now. What the hell going on in there?
620 of them, nigga.
That shit was funny as fuck. This shit does not know how to do a fucking burnout. He's trying to do a burnout for the last 5 minutes.
it. Blow it up, dog. Blow it up.
Bro, everybody fucking the fuck out right now. Yeah, this shit about to fucking boom. What the fuck? Oh shit, down. Oh god, I didn't even realize, bro.
I think it's down.
Nah, this M4 is fucking crazy. This M4 is fucking crazy. Oh shit, he's spinning it. What the fuck's going on, bro?
Stop the pussy. Fuck that shit off. Come on, bro.
Holy shit. What the fuck? He was walking that shit. Got boys over there revving it, but look at this shit right here. Oh my god. That shit sounds good as fuck. Got a Playboy Porsche right there. Oh, that's the dude who we be talking to. Well, I know this shit sounds good as hell. God damn, that shit sounds so good. Oh my god. Yeah, you see the tire marks all the way, all the way down. No, did you see me running out the way, bro? Bro. Ah! Coming right for my ass. I think he's just waiting for somebody. Got a Lambo right here. That's some GTA shit. Bro, I'm really in a GTA lobby right now, bro. I'm in LA with fucking supercars, dumb shit happening. Like, this shit crazy. I wouldn't be surprised if some dude pull up in like a fucking busted up car, start shooting like buses out of a fucking RPG and shit. 720. 720, you got the Supra that was spinning it. And a little Aston Martin. Oh my God, I got so scared that my car wasn't there for a second. Holy shit. But I think we got one more car here. I'm gonna record this real quick and then I'm gonna get in my whip and we gonna... That's not a cat, buddy, that's a Lambo. Oh my God, that shit's crazy. Another Mustang. Rev it. Good boy. Rev it. Oh yeah. All right, so as y'all see, I was recording, everybody left, but got my boy Jay right here. Got a Huracan back there. I don't know if y'all can see it. I know the water spots are so bad, bro. Look how like dirty my car is, bro. Oh my God. Oh my God, look at my window. Oh, this is bad. This is really bad. Oh my God, I'm not gonna be able to see on the way home. That's amazing. If it's on the front, I'm actually fucked.
I don't think it's gonna be on the front, but like.
No, it's not, but the hood too. All right, well, we're going to wash our cars tomorrow, so. Wow. Yeah, but all right, not as much shit happened as the first DD email I went to, but this shit was still crazy, so hopefully y'all enjoyed. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'm gonna go to a meet soon, so make sure y'all stay tuned for those videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one, all right? I'm out, peace.